Hi everyone, I'm Nikki from Noodle Art. Today I'm excited to show you how I make one of my favorite ornaments, this cozy fireplace scene with personalized stockings and a festive wreath. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your Christmas decor or gifting to family or friends. I'll walk you through each step from cutting to assembly so you can see how all the details come together. Let's get started. Once you've downloaded the project off a design find, go to Add Project and then select your file. Connect your machine and choose to hide your background or not. Now you can edit in your names. The document has been left so that you can edit all the text. If you need to, make some of the names a little bit smaller so that they fit. Now zoom out, and we're going to put in our parameters. Your cut should be set to 100 power, 4 speed, and 1 pass. It should be black. Your score is blue, at 60 power, 40 speed, and 1 pass. And engrave is red, at 70 power, 55 speed, and 1 pass. Refresh your background and click Auto Measure. Once Auto Measure has been completed, move your project onto the wood. Now let's hit Start. Now turn on your air assist and purifier if you have one, and hit Start on the machine. It's always good practice to keep an eye on your project as it's cutting. I only use laser grade wood from xTools or other high quality sources. By doing so, I find that most of my projects will cut through on the first try. Now carefully collect up all the small pieces. I like using these small baskets to collect up my projects. You can sometimes use a piece of masking tape to collect smaller pieces as well. Using 240 grit sandpaper, I gently sand the larger pieces down. Lay out the mantle pieces on a sheet of paper towel and use your favorite stain to color. Make sure to stir your stain gently, but make sure that it's well mixed. Using a small piece of paper towel, apply the stain, wiping excess away. Now set this aside. Using 240 grit sandpaper and a detail sander, gently sand the tops of the small pieces. I like to use compressed air to help blow off all the tiny dust particles. My favorite markers to use are Posca or Noodle Art brand. I find they have the best quality and coverage. Using a pair of needlepoint tweezers, gently remove any excess paint from the score lines. Continue to color all your pieces using the colors of your choosing. One of my favorite things about this ornament is the ability to customize it to your liking. I like that Posca markers come in several different sizes. I use a variety of the different size nibs in this video. Now is the time to add a second coat of wood stain. Using a small piece of paper towel, generously coat your project, then wipe away the excess. Using your favorite wood glue, add a small amount to the back of the wreath to begin assembling. I like Gorilla brand wood glue in a fine tip glue bottle using a henna tip. Now using a silicone dauber, remove squeeze out from your project. Add a tiny bit of glue to the openings on the wreath and add in the ornaments. This is where needlepoint tweezers really come in handy. Add the tops to the stockings. And lastly, add the name tags to the stockings. Now is the final part of the assembly. Let's put together the mantle. The mantelpiece is multiple layers thick, so stack the two rectangles on top of each other. Now at the bottom of the mantle and the fire. Adding a bit of glue to the back of the wreath, gently place it down in the center of the ornament. Add a bit of glue to your 2024, and now we're going to put the stockings on. I like to start with the outside pieces first, and then the center, and then the last two pieces. This will help you keep everything even. Using your silicone dauber, just clean up any excess squeeze out. Using a piece of nylon string, add it to the top of your ornament. Then use a heat source of your choice, melt the end so it'll easily pass through the bead. And now you have your finished ornament. You can find me on Design Find under Noodle Art. Thanks for watching!